Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm actually not gonna go on a hike today. I'm actually here in Venice, Italy with my mom going on an adventure. We arrived yesterday to Milan and it took us several hours to get here, several train rides. We are only gonna be staying here for 2 days. We have several things to do. We have a very well planned, jammed schedule. But before I tell you what those activities are gonna be, let's go grab some coffee and some of their special pastries that they have here. Let's go. We are back. I'm sitting here overlooking the Grand Canal. We're having our breakfast. Sitting out here because it costs you like an extra euro for everything if you actually want to eat at the restaurant, which is right behind us. So this is actually better because we have some activity to look at. The gondolas, the boats are passing us by. After this, we're heading to the neighborhoods of St. Polo, St. Marco, St. Max Square, the bridges of Sai, and Dodger's Palace. I'm starting to think that 2 days may not be enough. Everything here is gorgeous, full of history. It feels like a maze because there's a lot of those bridges that connect the islands, but everything here is just wonderful. Lots of stores. You can just get lost on the streets, narrow streets, wider streets. Just we are finding it very interesting and we are immediately in love with Venice. We have reached Santa Maria Basilica. It's free to enter, so we're gonna have a look inside. Walking towards Piazza di San Marco, and just wanted to note, if you actually want to do a gondola ride, there's actually many of them, many of the stands around here. You don't even have to look that hard. They're gonna be all over the place. 80 euros for 30 minutes, or 100 euros for 35 minutes. We have arrived to Piazza San Marco or St. Mark's Square. The most interesting sight we're going to see is the clock tower, which dates back to the 15th century, and also the Basilica of San Marco and Dodger's Palace. So that's the clock tower right there. And right next to is the Basilica, which costs about 7 euros to enter. Have arrived to the other tourist spot called Dodger's Palace or Palazzo Ducale. Right here is the entrance along the canal. It looks like the ticket price is 13 euros. So we're here walking along Riva degli Giovanni, which is that lagoon waterfront, and we kind of decided to go to Murano, which is like a spur of the moment thing. This is where they make the glass decorations that we have seen along the shops here. So there's a water taxi that's going to take us is 19 euros per person, and it goes every 20 minutes, and the last one is still late. It's currently 1 o'clock, and pretty much we have finished what I have planned today. We still need to do the bridge of Sai. I haven't been able to find it yet, but since the water taxi is right in front of me, we're gonna do that and give it a shot. So this is where you take it, you pay, and you just go.
We are just waiting here to go to Murano. He said it will be 13 minutes, but we are not sure.
We have arrived to Murano. That was about 40-minute ride on the boat. Right now, there's like a lot of glass working demonstrations once you get off the boat. I'm guessing there's going to be some entrance fee required. Glass factory showroom, free entry. We have finally sat down here after walking for 5 hours. We are actually here in Murano and we're just enjoying ourselves looking at all the shops with their glass decorations. I ordered some spaghetti bolognese. It is very small and this costs about 10 euros and some bread of course, and my mom just wanted to have something light and cannot be missing a good olive oil. I haven't had a good spaghetti. It's been a while. Really good. We are back from Murano and we're actually back here at St. Mark trying to locate Bridge of Sighs, and after this we're gonna go to Rialto Bridge. So this is Doge's Palace, and if you go over here where people are actually congregating, that's where the Bridge of Sighs is, to the left. You can actually look at that bridge actually from the palace as well, but you have to pay to do that. To our surprise, I think we're pretty much done here in Venice. We did all the major attractions that we wanted to do, but granted that we didn't go to the museums, we didn't go to the basilica or the tower, and that would easily extend your time. Venice is so gorgeous and so unique. It has so much to offer: good food, architecture, shopping, great views, but it is very touristy. You're gonna find a lot of people here, especially during peak season. Right now we're in low season and it's pretty crowded. One of the things we found very interesting here is that there are no cars. You either walk or you take the water taxi. So if you're bringing your luggage, you're going to be hauling that around. But don't worry, we saw many people do that. To end our adventure, we're going to go to Rialto Bridge. There are actually 4 bridges at the Grand Canal, but the oldest and the prettiest one is Rialto Bridge. Okay, approaching Rialto Bridge. It's right there. So you can see tons of people left and right of me. So many pretty things to look at along the way. Anyways guys, I hope you find this video useful. That's it for our March Madness adventure. Thank you. Until next time, bye! Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!